Dear investors and viewers, welcome to Riddhivej Finance. We have also available on twitter.com. For that you can subscribe our Twitter channel, and in that case you will find the updated video on Twitter also. So here we are going to present Riddhivej Finance presenting Metro Brands Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, do you aware about the brands like Metro Shoes, Mochi's, Walkaway, Da Vinci, J. Fortini, Vivado, Gen X, Chimo, and Princess Hot Diva Active? These are the basically casual, formal, and sport and accessories brands which are available in the market. Even on e-commerce it is available. So this brand has been owned by who? Nothing but the Metro Shoe. And they are having a tie-ups with the third-party brands like a Cross, Flip Flop, Clarks, Flourish, ID, Language, Egos, One Vellex, Mardi Gras, Havaianas, Bukharo, Kittens, Pro, Zeolite, Campus, and Skechers. These are their casual, formal, and sport accessories available with the Metro Shoes. So this company is basically 75 years into the market. They are having 586 plus stores, and they are having presence in 134 cities, where they're delivering all-inclusive 10 million plus happy feet served till now. So this is all about what Metro Shoe. So this company is on 30th September 2021. They are having permanent employee 2622. Further are working as a selling agent 1307, and their staff and contract workers also with them. We conduct period of review our employees' job performance and determine salary and discretionary bonuses based on the such reviews and general market conditions. We believe that we have a good working relationship with our employees, have not experienced any significant employee dispute. So this is all about their employee satisfaction. Yes, they are having subsidiaries MV Shoe Care Private Limited and Design Matrix Associate Private Limited. So in this case we are going to talk about what exactly this everybody has wearing shoe. So shoe is also an important part of our life. And yes, on the occasion of festival, on the occasion of events, you need a new shoe. So it's a mandatory, it's a necessity of life. So the stores are total in 2021 are 598. The store's product sale and aggregated in store product sale and omni-channel product sales, wherein stores product sale refer to the product sales made to the customers in order place at a store, and omni-channel product sales refer to product sales made stores towards purchase and order placed online too. So they are having e-commerce types over here. Product sales refer revenue sales, footwear, bags, accessories, and standalone basis, and does not include a sale of raw material and other sales. Each region comprises Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Odisha, Sikkim, Tripura, and West Bengal. In West region comprises Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. North region comprises Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. In the South region comprises Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Exclusive brand outlet EBO is on 30 September 2021. We are retail products of EBOs, 159 EBOs in 26 state across India. The average EBOs in the exclusive brand outlet on 30 September 2021. We retail our products through fiscal 2021 was 571 square feet, while 6 months ended September 30, 2021. 578 square feet. We operate EBO's third party brands such as Crocs in India, and we believe a platform of the choice and this third party brand. We endeavor to ensure customers at EBOs able to experience our level of customer service while complying fit out an outlet specified set of and our arrangement. Other channels we retail certain brands such as Walkway, Lemon and Pepper, Hot Curry, and through the shop in shops. Kiosk operated by using large format stores through Metmail. We also enter in the master distribution arrangement for distribution of Vento, a brand from Vietnam catering the mass market e-commerce and omni-channel. Our retail stores are supported by our company owned e-commerce business in India through a website and a business account on social media platform and instant messaging channels such as WhatsApp. The virtual storefronts are designed with the intention of providing customer positive shopping brands and shopping and brand experience, showcasing our products and easy to navigate format allow consumer to browse our selection of products. An experience of virtual stores provide a convenient and an alternative shopping environment and a brand experience. An additional efficient, effective retail distribution channel which has improved our customer service. They enable consumer to shop, browse, find store location, socially interact, post review, photo, video, and question and immerse themselves in our brand. Our website, Build in Progress, is a web application that is app filled mobile user which will believe in sustainable as user do not incur app download acquisition cost. We are also present online through a tie-ups and leading e-commerce marketplace. Total online product sales amount is rupees 191.08 million, 306.22 million, 571.57 million, 205.69 million, and 525.42 million in the fiscal year 2019, 2020, and 2021, and the 6 months September 2020 and September 30, 2021 respectively, and represent 1.65 and 2.53, 7.25%, 11.60%, and 11.93% over revenue from operations period respectively on a standalone basis. Our total product sales increased CAGR of 72.95% between the fiscal year 2019 and fiscal 2021. Orders received through e-commerce channel are met by our warehouse and has designated area allocated for this purchase, owning the growth in the channel operation and brand retail of 30 September 2021. We are retail product of 25 brands and set below certain information. The key brand retail including a typical price range products under the brand and on occasion break up products based on closing inventory companies as September 30, 2021. The product below reflects occasion wise closing inventory and the brand September 30, 2021 is fully described as a table discussion on occasion of wise percentage breakups. Anyways, we are not going to talk about their inventory of and supply chain management stuff. So we are going to talk about the company detail over here. Metro Brands Limited Company Detail. Metro Shoes Private Limited. This company has registered on 19 September 1977 at Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is company has turned their name Metro Shoe Limited in the year of 18th May 1992, and then they have changed Metro Shoe Private Limited again. Okay, and in the year of October 16, 2002, where they have again changed their name on the 7th 2007, that on 21st they have received the changed their name and they have received Metro Shoe Limited. After that they have changed on 14th May 2007, and Metro Brands Limited they have converted, and now they have changed, this company has changed their name, and then they have fresh certificate on 6 September 2018. This company has registered 401C Leon 4th floor LBS Marg and CST Junction, Kurla West, Mumbai 400070. Further information, Maharashtra State and India. Where you can further information, log on metrobrands.com. And in that case, we are going to talk about the footprints of this company, what exactly they do. And yes, absolutely, 1977 incorporation of our company. 2000 we have opened the first mochi brand MBO. 2009 we have launched walkaway format, previously known as MSL, more shoe for less. That is 2010 the company has launched e-commerce platform and reached the target of 100 stores. 2012 the company has reached a target 200 stores, where 2015 tie-ups with the brand Crocs TM. 2020 our company has reached target of 550 stores. 2021 our company brands flip-flop tie-up with the flip-flop. So this is all about the brand, what their brand footprints they have achieved during these years, and how they tie-ups with for a shoe brand and marketing all those brands. So dear investors, viewers, if you wanted to start a business, you should learn it like this. Ridhivej Finance presenting Metro Brand Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be the 10th December 2021. IPO closing date will be 14 December 2021. And issue type is book build issue. IPO face value will be 5 rupees per equity share, and IPO price band between 485 to 500 per equity share. Market lot will be 30 shares per minimum. Order quantity will be 30 shares. Listing at BSE and NSE. Basis of allotment date will be on the 17th December 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on December 20, 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account on 21st December 2021, and listing of IPO date is 22nd December 2021. Ridhivej Finance expected subscription prediction for Metro Brands Limited IPO. We are expecting the subscription can hit minimum between 40% to maximum it can touch up 85 or 80%. We have given in 80% as written, but it can probably cross 100 too. It depends on their management strategy. Please keep watch on gray market strategy, market risk on own decisions. We will come back with the GMP too. Thank you by Ridhivej Finance. And yes, dear investors and viewers, we are uploading so many videos because nowadays there is a IPO of the week. We can say there is a number of companies has rushing to the market for a listing. So we will watch what surprises we have in gift for all of you, and that will be delivered very soon, but probably 2022, because we are busy in IPOs and GMPs.